In this video, we will have a look at how to create and deploy a test project via the OS deployment module in BMC Client Management. Test projects can be used to confirm if deployment is working with the settings that exist on the OSD manager. This can also be used to identify the hardware model of a device which is used in drivers by model. A test project can only be created and deployed once the OSD manager has been initialized. The steps to create and deploy the test project are as follows. Log in to the Client Management console, go to the OS deployment node OSD Manager, expand the OSD Manager device in the left window pane and go to Configuration. Right-click on Configuration and select Properties. At the bottom of the Properties window, select Create Test Project. A window will open requesting the scope for targets on which the test project needs to be deployed. Enter the scope, which can be a single IP address or a PXE subnet. The test project will be created and will be visible under the OSD Manager, Projects, Customized Deployment node with the name Test Project. PXE boot the target device and the test project will be deployed on it. On successful completion, a window will appear with the message your OSD Manager is fully functional along with the PC model name. Let's move to the demo of creating and deploying a test project via the OS deployment module. To create a test project, go to the OS deployment node, the OSD Manager, right-click on Configuration, go to Properties, select Create New Test Project. In the scope, we need to enter the PXE subnet filter for which the scope has been defined. Click OK. The test project will be created. We see that the test project has been built successfully and the build status shows build completed successfully. We shall now PXE boot the target device and see how the test project is deployed on it. We see that the target device has received the boot files. This is the WinPE phase for OSD in client management. It will now download the project. The command that we see on the screen is run when we deploy any project that is created using BMC's OS deployment module. We now see that the test deployment has been completed and it says that the OSD manager is fully functional, which means the test deployment was successful. This method can also be used to identify the model name of any target device. As we see in this case, since it's a virtual machine, the PC model name comes up as virtual machine. With this, we complete the demo of creating and deploying a test project. Thank you.